Question. When's the last time you locked yourself out or had to come all the way home just to let somebody else in? That recently. Well, what if I told you you could upgrade to a smart lock without having to change your existing hardware? You'd say, tell me more. So here with more is Rosalind Doherty, Senior Marketing Manager with Level Home. Rosalind, welcome to Designing Spaces.
Thank you so much, Judith. I'm so happy to be here.
I am too. So the smart lock revolution is a huge billion-dollar industry. Homeowners really seem to love this trend. Why is it so popular?
Today, homeowners are becoming increasingly aware of the benefits of a smart lock, but it's not just about security and keeping the bad guys out. It's also about letting loved ones in, your contractor, babysitter,
in-laws.
Exactly, yes.
Friends and family, right?
And the benefits of keyless entry are phenomenal. We all know that feeling of walking up to your front door and realizing that you forgot your keys.
Forgot your key. So what is the Level Bolt and why is it so different from every other smart lock that's available today?
The Level Bolt is really the first of its kind. The Level Bolt is the invisible smart lock. It actually goes inside your current hardware and makes it smart. So if you love the look and feel of your front door, don't want to put anything over your current lock, you don't have to change anything. You just add the Level Bolt and you get all of the conveniences and benefits of a smart lock.
That's incredible. I believe that it's even such an incredible design that it has won some engineering awards for the deadbolt industry. Is that true too?
That's right. It's won several awards for the product design and the safety and security. Other manufacturers actually put something on top of your current hardware to make it smart, either on the front or on the back. And it actually changes the complete look of your front door. They're difficult to install, and our founders wanted to put the user experience first.
So there are a few specs to make sure you have as a homeowner before you install your Level Bolt. Can you kind of just quickly go through what those are?
So before you get started, you'll want to measure your door with a tape measure. Everything is listed on our website, and it's super easy to understand.
Okay. Great. So let's get started. Show us how to install the Level Bolt.
Great. Yes, let's get to it. So this is all you will need. It's just one screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver.
One Phillips, that's it?
Yeah. Actually, uninstalling your lock as it is now might be
the trickiest part.
The hardest part.
Yeah.
We're gonna connect this bolt plate into your door. So it does have a top, so you know,
top and bottom.
Top and bottom. So this right here is your bolt. All of the technology is hidden inside this little guy. All right, so now that the bolt is in here, we're gonna reassemble the old lock. The final step is adding the battery.
That was so easy and so quick. So now we're gonna connect ourselves to the Level app, right?
Yes.
Okay,
so
show us how to do that.
I have my phone right here.
Good.
So you'll see right here, it does say that the front door is locked. So we're just gonna press and hold that logo, and then you'll see it'll cue the unlock.
Oh my goodness, look at that. How do we now connect the Level Bolt to our smart home?
There are 3 different connectivity options: Bluetooth, Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi, and then there's a new connectivity option, which is Bluetooth plus Matter, that allows homeowners to connect to multiple smart home platforms simultaneously, and it allows you to be flexible with how you want to connect.
This is an incredibly smart lock. Tell us different ways now that you can come in and out of your home and other people can be let in and out as well.
Yes, so obviously you can use your phone to unlock the door through the Level app, or if you choose to connect it to your smart home platform, you can use the ecosystem that you choose.
Unlock the front door.
Or you can also use a Level keypad. It's super unique. You can actually mount it anywhere within Bluetooth range. You can place it anywhere you'd like, really keeping the aesthetic of your front door, and you have the ability to add key codes that are customizable for different people, as well as also giving you the option to just use a physical key.
Let's not forget how effective this is in the aspect of security. It's one of the most secure locks on the market. It has highest levels of safety standards in the industry.
Yes, it actually has been tested for the American National Standards Institute for Security and Durability.
It's a great way to say welcome home, isn't it?
Exactly.
Where do we find out more information about Level Bolt and Level Home?
You can find out more on level.co.
Aha. And you can also go to designingspaces.tv. Are you going to stay for girls' night?
Yes.
Should we let some people in?
Absolutely. Let's create a party pass and do that.
Wonderful.